Decepticons, transform and take the lead. After all this time, finally, at last, we get to draw SOUNDWAVE from Transformers Animated. SOUNDWAVE started out as a dancing robot action figure. After a few adjustments from Sari's Key, he upgraded himself and evolved into this ultimate battle machine and started his own desire to prove that machines are superior and on top. He has a few... He has a set of guitars and has an entire army based on 3. Here's the keyboard on his chest. And trust me, he's really great when it comes to music. Now we draw this mark here, the vehicle station on his arms. Now we draw this mark here, his arm. Here's the sound station, the electric power drive that glides through his circuitry. No wonder he believes he's the most superior one. Reminds me about all the times we went to West Hills Day Camp. One of my favorite places I've been. Wow, I miss that place. When did things... Why do I miss it so much? Reminds me of the time that Pikachu bonded with the blue orb. You remember that, right? Now for this mark here. If you're hearing music in the background, that's SOUNDWAVE playing music. He helped me last time. and the time before that. Soundwave, if you're hearing this, I love your voice. He got his appearance in the movie. I'm proud. We love your voice, Soundwave. Sorry about that, folks. And finished. That's how you draw a Soundwave. Anyhow, thanks for drawing along with us. And trust me, now that we finished drawing Soundwave, I dedicate this one episode to him, and always to him. That's why we'll be reviewing him. Anyhow, Soundwave basically, during the movie, his vehicle form was a satellite. Soundwave has taken on a lot of transformations in the past. Anyhow, let's get started on transforming him. Now let's take these pieces. These form the... this allows him to stand upright. Here's his abs. We take the satellite. This chest plate here reveals his automaton upper half. Now we take the arms, slide them down here. Take these, fold them in place. I fold these in that place, like so. That allows him to, well, here's his robot form. And if you want to, you can take the panels on his back and his arms and create Soundwave attacks. Got that finished. I know I'm supposed to have Laserbeak on this episode, but unfortunately I checked my garage and I can't appear to find him. Anyhow, Soundwave has an arsenal on Decepticons, including his cassette tapes that include smaller robots, but he also has other minicons as well. Like, of course, you know about Laserbeak. On Transformers Animated, they also debuted Ratbat. In the movie, he launched a drone onto Earth in the Antarctica. And he has an assortment of drones, like Ravage here. Of course, Ravage, basically one of my favorite characters from the movie. To transform Ravage, we take the cannons. We place them up here. Now we just take the lower legs. Place them in place. Take the wings. And forge them to become his chest. There. There's his claws. There. That takes care of that. That's how you draw. That's how you transform Ravage. One of the awesome features about Ravage, you just take this piece on his back, and it shows off his jaws. It's quite an interesting feature. I'm glad they included that in the movie. And there. That's how you draw and transform Soundwave. And that's how you transform Ravage. I'm glad that they've added these Decepticons onto the Transformers set. And, well, I've been a good fan for Transformers. And I want everyone on this channel to be involved. That everyone can be included. Even Transformers. Anyhow, that's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And check out which Decepticon you want me to draw next. Until next time, Decepticons take the lead. Stegosaurus, see you later.